Hello beautiful souls, welcome back to this enchanting corner of creativity where I share my hobbies and hope you all are in the best of health. Today's video is gonna be about painting a canvas on which I'll write a verse. Well, without any further delay, let's dive into it. Okay, the canvas will be yellow. So firstly I am painting the canvas with yellow color, and after that I am shading it with a little darker shade and with white as well. Now smudging the strokes, and then we will paint the edges of the canvas. After painting the edges, it's time to write a verse which is La yukallifullahu ala wus'aha, means Allah doesn't burden a soul beyond that it can bear. Doing the pencil work with black color, and here I'm using fabric colors. You know what? It took me 4 hours to make it, and the background color took up more of my time. Well, this is the most satisfying part of the whole video now, doing details and doing the English part. Until I'm doing this, go and subscribe my YouTube channel and do like, comment, share, and yeah, don't forget to press the bell icon. Now I am painting the corner with the lighter shade, making curves with white and golden color and also adding shadows onto the text. And now applying the glue on the corners. Spreading the glue with the help of a paintbrush, and now it's time to sprinkle the glitter. Here I'm using golden color, you can use any other color, but for me the golden color is the best for it. Now we will brush the excess glitter off. Here are some final looks, and yeah, let me know in the comment section how it is looking. Thank you for joining me here. Until next video, may your days be filled with beauty and inspiration. Bye bye.